Hey everybody, it's Wendy. Welcome. So excited that you're here today because I get to show you our May class to go. That's right. Today begins the official ordering period for our May class to go. And I say our because I do this in conjunction with fellow demonstrator Katina Martinez. She creates 2 cards, I create 2 cards, and we come together to make beautiful class to go kits. Class to go kits include 4 cards. There's 4 different designs. You get 2 kits each. It's for a total of 8 cards. We always include envelopes with our cards, so you don't have to worry about that. If you don't happen to have the sentiment that we use, you can substitute for your own sentiment. However, we did use Bird Banter and Flying Home for both of these sets of cards. So all the cards use Flying Home and Bird Banter, except for the one with the butterfly. That little sentiment down in the corner comes from a different stamp set. So there you can see, you can substitute anything. Here's the 2 stamp sets that are available this month for purchase. Now the way this works is you can purchase option 1 and get just our exclusive videos for $20. You can purchase option 2, which is the card kits and the exclusive videos, but it doesn't include a stamp set. Or for just $7 more, you can get one of the stamp sets I just showed you. So for $32, you get the videos, the card kits, and the stamp sets. And this month, we are adding on watercolor pencils. And you can do all of these cards with watercolor pencils and the blender. If you don't have a blender, you could simply use a paintbrush dipped in water, very light amount of water, because this isn't watercolor paper. So some of these cards use the Stampin' Blends, and some of them use the watercolor pencils. So my point is the Stampin' Blends are not available to purchase right now, but if you already had Copics or something else that you wanted to use, or you may already have Stampin' Blends, you can use those. If not, add on those watercolor pencils for 16 bucks, and then you'll have something to color all your images with. Make sure you use Stays On ink if you're going to be using those watercolor pencils. Thanks for tuning in. I hope you purchased. Links are below the video. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.